What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech, more tutorials. This time we want to check out some Apple Pencil alternatives that won't break your bank. And right here we have the Penoval pencil. Let's check these out.
For old time's sake.
So as I mentioned, Penoval, I've done reviews on these before a few months ago, but now I'm back with the iPad 10.2 and I want to see if this is going to be a good alternative to the Apple Pencil. Now we know Apple Pencil is going to run us about $100, but this is Penoval. You're going to pay about $39 for this one. Now, when you take it out of the box, this is what you get. You get the actual pencil itself. You get the actual Penoval branding right there. It charges through micro USB on the top. It has a on button right down here. You can't really see it because this is black, but in the box, all you get is you get a micro USB charger right there. You get your regular instructions and you get an extra tip that you can change out at any time. Put that over here. And now the white one is the same exact thing except it's white. So you got a white one down here in the box. So it comes in these two colors. Like I said, $39.99. It has precise writing, it has palm rejection, and like I said, no Bluetooth required for this. So all we're gonna do is make sure, I'm just taking this out of the box, so let's make sure we got some juice. You got the blue LED right there letting us know that we have some power. I'm going to make sure that there is no Apple Pencil connected to this device because the old Apple Pencil cannot be connected. So no Apple Pencil is connected, this should work. So let's check it out and see what the writing looks like on here. So first thing I always look for when I'm using one of these alternative Apple Pencils is to make sure that some of these features work from the old Apple Pencil. So you know, if you swipe up from the corner of the screen, it should do a screenshot. So let's make sure that works. Coming from the corner, boom, screenshot feature works. So the next thing that I want to check out is actually how it's going to perform in the Apple Notes application. Now I don't have Evernote or any of those So I don't have Evernote or any of those other apps downloaded right now. This is a brand new tablet. I haven't downloaded anything to it really yet. But Apple's note-taking app is going to be a great playground to see how this works. So we know we have palm rejection. I'm going to lay my hand on the screen and only draw with Apple Pencil. Okay. So erase that. We'll start over. So I had to actually let it know I only wanted to draw with the Apple Pencil because it sensed my palm was laying on that screen. So I'm just gonna write. Okay. Now it's seamed. All right. I'm just making sure that we're getting all of the writing. I'm drawing. Everything looks good. All right, laying my hand on the screen works, drawing works. There are no jumps, no breaks in the line. Let's see if pressure works. So I'm gonna draw just a straight line and then I'm going to lay my pencil down. So pressure, it's not sensing pressure as I tilt my pen or as I bear down harder. It's not sensing any pressure. Try this one more time, erase all this. Straight line. Tilt it to the side, line stays the same size, bearing down stays the same size. So it doesn't sense that pressure that most artists are going to be looking for, but if you're just the average Joe and you're looking for an Apple Pencil alternative that's not going to hurt your wallet, this is going to be a great one to pick up. So this one is going to work with any of the 2018 model iPads, the iPad 10.2, iPad Mini 5, iPad 7th Gen, iPad 11-inch Pro, 12.9-inch Pro, all those will work. The older models, the 10.5s, will not support any of this. So the older model, the 10.5, will not support this pencil, but all the newer models will work with this pencil. Now, if you want me to do reviews on those, I can. I have some of those laying around. I will go in and do more detailed reviews, but for right now, this is the iPad 10.2 7th generation working with the Penoval pencil. This is a great alternative to that Apple Pencil. It's gonna get you all the same results. results with the exception of the pressure point sensing, and it still comes in separate colors. You got white and you got black, and it's going to give you that precise writing in it's going to give you that precise writing experience, and it's also going to support that palm rejection, and it has a lot of the other features that the Apple Pencil has. The original Apple Pencil didn't support any other features other than writing, so you're not going to have to worry. This is all you're going to do. You're just writing. The only thing is you're not going to get the pressure sensitivity while you write. That's the only thing that you're going to miss out on. Anything else, I think it's a great device that you can pick up. The micro USB on here supports a extremely quick charge. 4 minutes of charge is going to get you an hour, and an hour gets you 12 hours. So it has a lot of battery life on this, and it has an auto sleep wake function. So when it does not sense you using it for a while, it's going to automatically shut itself off. So a great device for you to pick up, great Apple Pencil alternative. I'll drop a link below so you can check it out for yourself. But until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Have a check out. Peace.